Hey friends, let's come together and learn Angular 6 with a very interesting application, or you can say a website which we are having. You can see on the screen. It is a website which we offers you the details of all the heroes, the latest movie Avengers, which you must have seen. All the details of all the heroes are coming in the form of thumbnails. If you will click on any thumbnail, it will show you the details of that particular hero to you. If you hover on this like button, then it for me it's saying cannot vote anymore with a crying smiley. It's crying because I have lost my limits. Whatever limits we have set, we will show you how we can do all those stuff in the upcoming videos, but I have crossed their limit. That's why it's showing me this message, cannot vote anymore. If I am having, or any user is having the limit to like, then it will show you like you can vote with a happy smiley and you can vote over it. So like that, all these features, all things must be sound interesting to you. We will see all these things in our tutorial. Let me show you more things also. Like currently I am on my details page. If I want to go back, I will just click on the home. Again I am on the home page, and see again I can see the details. If I click on the hero list, these are the list of all the heroes whatever I am having in the database. If I want to add any hero, let's say blah blah name, and real name is, let's say, Blee, and create, then you can see hero created. Okay, if I want to delete it, just click over here, delete it. Seems interesting, I guess, to you all guys, all these things. From here you can change this is a multilingual language. You can change the language also. Let's say if I will click on traditional Chinese, all the stuff will start coming in the Chinese. But I will prefer English because I don't know Chinese and all those stuff. If you know, you can use it. Over here, this is the search bar. If you will click on anything like Batman, it will search for you whatever you have entered over here, and it will display for you from all of the sides. So this kind of stuff we will see in our tutorial. All this functionality we will see how they are doing. But the best part and the best tip what you will going to have in this tutorial is that we are going to understand Angular 6 in this demo application, all the features covering in this tutorial, but in a very smart way, not in a very hard way. Hard work you won't have to do. In a very smart way and in a very fun way, we will learn all those stuff, and you will literally see like how we can actually in a corporate world, and nowadays what matters is your time. Like everyone can work, but the point is the same task if a person is doing in 15 minutes, and if a person is doing the same task in 5 minutes, then the market value of the person who is doing that task in 5 minutes is will be more. So to compete in that competition to the other people, you have to learn the tricks and tactics, how you can go above the crowd, and you can learn the things, because everyone is learning, but you have to be different. You should be able to differentiate yourself from others crowd. So in that manner we will focus how we can make this application in a very quick manner and understand the point and improve our skills. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for the further tutorials. Thank you.